Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Well, this time it's me doing a roller set on myself. You guys been asking me to do a roller set on myself, so I hope you guys enjoy. I start out by sectioning my hair in 3 places. But before you do that, please make sure that you saturate your hair and detangle your hair. And I use the pink rollers since my hair is not too long or too short. I want to make sure that I was able to grab it well and stretch it as well, but I don't want it to be too loose as well because I want the body and the volume at the end. All the rollers are back in stock at Stylesbyeden.com, so help yourself. And as you see, I am using my detangling brush that could be found on the website as well. Saturate your hair every section and kind of stretch your hair as you roller set as well. And don't take big sections because you want it to stretch and be smooth and be able to grab it. When you do it yourself, it's kind of tricky, so take smaller sections as you can, not too small because you want to be able to fit the rollers, but the main key is to always saturate. Don't let it be too dry, or don't towel dry your hair. Actually, as you see, I spray each section for it to be saturated. One is easier for you to grab the hair and roller set and stretch it as you go. 2, this will give you a smoother finish, because if you roller set it while it's towel dried or dry, then your end result is gonna be frizzy, not as smooth as you would want it after the dryer. So just make sure you spray each section and kind of stretch your hair as you roller set, and take your time with it, especially when you roller set your hair. Always take your time because it is kind of tricky, and it's like your hand would hurt or you'll get tired, but I'm kind of used to it. It's been a long time since I roller set my own hair, but I'm kind of used to doing it. And always grab the last rollers you put in when you put in the next one. Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but you can see me once I put the rollers in, to put the pin in, I'll always grab the one I did before, so that way it kind of stays tighter, not too loose, or so just kind of pull the other one together and put your pins in, and it will stretch it from the roots. And then when you get to your side, you want to part it again. You can start out either way, like you can start out from the front or from the side. On this side, I'm going to start from the front just to show you guys the difference. And then on the other side, I'm going to start out from the back section. But I hope you guys would enjoy this video. Give me a feedback. I'm kind of getting used to this voiceover. It's still new to me, but I hope it helps. And all the products that you see on here, all the products that I use on my hair, could be found at Stylesbyeden.com. If you guys end up using these rollers or the detangling brush, share your videos or picture on Instagram at hairstylesbyeden.com. I would love to see the results or hear your feedbacks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the end result. I just wanted loose, big hair, not too much heat. I do end up putting a little bit of heat on it, but it's not too much. I just wanted bouncy, silky hair. So I hope you enjoy it, and let me know if you guys like it. Thank you so much. Yeah.